In today's video, I will teach you how to round off hard edges of text and objects in GIMP. Let's get started. First, go to File, then New, and set the dimensions as desired. Then use the Text tool to create one or more text layers. Then make the text large enough to see the final effect clearly. And select Layer, then discard text information to render the text. This converts the text layer into a regular layer. Now go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, and set the blur radius. Higher value will result in more rounded edges. Now right-click the blurred layer and select Colors, then Curves. In the Curves dialog, change the channel to Alpha at the top left. Then move the bottom left point of the curve to the middle, and the top right point in the opposite direction towards the middle. This adjustment pushes the transparency levels to their extremes, resulting in fully opaque and fully transparent pixels with no half transparency. The Gaussian blur smoothens the text edges, creating a soft, round appearance, while the Alpha Curves adjustment maximizes the contrast in the alpha channel, eliminating semi-transparent pixels and leaving only fully opaque or fully transparent areas. This creates crisp and clear edges in the text. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.